For this construction, we'll be practicing constructing parallel lines. You can see we are given line segment CD and point O, and our job is to construct a line parallel to CD and going through point O. If you know how to copy an angle using your compass and straight edge, this should be no problem for you. The first step we're going to do is we're going to take our straight edge and we are going to make a transversal going through O and CD at any angle. And as you can see, we have created an angle OCD. What we're going to do is copy that angle where O is the vertex on top, right here. So we're going to take our straight edge, and these next steps are the same steps as copying an angle. We're going to put our we're going to put our compass point on vertex C, and we are going to swing an arc. Keep the same compass opening, go up to point O, put your compass point on point O. And we're going to do another arc. Then I'm going to go back down to the arc I made, and I'm going to put my compass point on one point of intersection, my pencil point on the other point of intersection, and I'm going to measure that opening. No marks needed, just measure in the opening. Then I'm going to come up here, put my compass point on where the arc intersected the ray, and make a final arc that intersects the second arc that I made. And that arc should be right in line with O. You can take your straight edge now, line it up, draw it through. Take me a couple tries here without the straight edge. There we go. And you now will have two parallel lines, and you know they are parallel because what you have just created are two congruent angles, and if you notice, those congruent angles have a name. They're called corresponding angles, and if two corresponding angles are congruent, that implies you have parallel lines.